Imagine this. You wake up every morning feeling trapped in a life you don't recognize. Negative habits and realities have consumed your days, leaving you longing for a drastic change. But what if I told you there's a quantum leap you can take each night while you sleep? Today, we're diving into a technique that holds the power to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. It's called the quantum leap while you sleep technique, and it's a journey into the depths of your subconscious mind. By setting a simple intention before falling asleep, you can release and shift those negative habits and realities that hold you back. But it doesn't stop there. Your intentions should involve waking up as a new person in a new timeline with a completely transformed mindset. The goal of this technique is nothing short of drastic change. Each day, you have the opportunity to rewrite your story, to reinvent yourself, and to fundamentally shift the course of your life for the better. In this video, we will outline step-by-step instructions on how to put this powerful process into action. You'll learn how to tap into the hidden depths of your subconscious mind and harness its immense power for personal transformation. But before we begin, I'd like to request something from you. If you find this video intriguing and believe in the power of subconscious transformation, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support, and it helps us create more empowering content for you. Now, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that will challenge your perception of what's possible. The quantum leap while you sleep technique awaits. It's time to transcend your limitations and unleash the true potential that lies within you. Okay. Let's begin. Intentional dreaming is a fascinating practice that harnesses the power of our dreams to shape and manifest our desired reality. It involves setting clear intentions before falling asleep, allowing our subconscious mind to work its magic during the dream state. The concept of intentional dreaming is built upon the understanding that our dreams can be purposeful and meaningful. Rather than simply being passive observers in our dreams, we can actively participate in them, influencing their content and outcomes. To begin intentional dreaming, it's important to set specific intentions before going to bed. These intentions can be anything from personal development goals to creative aspirations or emotional healing. By clearly stating our intentions, we create a roadmap for our dreams to follow. As we enter the dream state, our subconscious mind takes over, weaving together a tapestry of symbols, emotions, and experiences. During intentional dreaming, we can become more aware of this dreaming process, actively shaping the narrative and guiding our experiences. One effective technique for intentional dreaming is visualization. By visualizing our desired outcomes before sleep, we give our minds a clear image to work with during the dream state. For example, if we desire to improve our public speaking skills, we can visualize ourselves confidently delivering a powerful presentation. Furthermore, maintaining a dream journal can be immensely helpful. By recording our dreams immediately upon waking, we can analyze recurring patterns, symbols, and themes. This self-reflection can bring deeper insights into our desires, fears, and potential paths of growth. Intentional dreaming is not limited to merely pursuing personal desires. It can also be a tool for self-discovery. By setting intentions to gain clarity or find solutions to specific challenges, we can tap into the vast creative and problem-solving capacities of our dreaming mind. It's important to note that intentional dreaming is a practice that requires patience and consistency. Not every dream may align with our intentions right away, and it may take time to become proficient in shaping our dreams. However, by persistently working with our intentions and staying open to the possibilities, intentional dreaming can become a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Believing in yourself is an essential aspect of intentional dreaming. It's about having unwavering faith in your abilities and trusting that you have the power to manifest your dreams. With willpower, conviction, discipline, and focus, you can bring your dreams into reality and create positive transformations in your life journey. When you truly believe in yourself and what you can achieve, you tap into an immense source of inner strength. It becomes easier to stay committed to your intentions, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Your belief fuels your determination, pushing you forward on the path towards realizing your dreams. Small adjustments made day by day can have profound impacts on your life. It's often the subtle shifts in mindset, habits, and actions that pave the way for significant changes. By making conscious choices aligned with your intentions, you create a ripple effect that can transform your reality. Dreams have the power to become realities within the physical realm. When you immerse yourself in intentional dreaming, you are tapping into the limitless potential of your subconscious mind. As your dreams become more vivid, detailed, and aligned with your intentions, they become magnets for manifestation in the waking world. To unlock the potential of instant manifestation, it begins with a simple acknowledgement each morning. Recognize that when a shift or change is made within you, the manifestation of that change can happen instantly. This understanding sets the stage for remarkable transformations in your life. It's essential to grasp the concept that infinite potential exists in every moment. All manifestations, whether big or small, already exist in the now. You are merely aligning with and bringing them into your conscious experience. However, it's important to be aware of the fear that can arise when big changes or manifestations occur quickly. The mind may be resistant to rapid shifts, as it prefers familiarity and stability. This fear can impede the results, even though they have the potential to manifest instantly. To overcome this fear and allow for the smooth unfolding of instant manifestations, it's crucial to cultivate trust in the process. Trust that the changes happening in your reality, even if they appear significant and quick, are aligned with your deepest intentions and highest good. Intention is a powerful tool in instant manifestation. By setting clear intentions to see or feel differences in the new reality you desire, you activate the process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that reality. Each intention you set becomes a guiding force towards the immediate manifestation of your desires. As you practice intention and alignment, be open to signs, synchronicities, and opportunities that show up in your life. These are often indications that your manifestations are already in motion, and it's essential to recognize and appreciate them. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of instant manifestation and creating your desired reality using Quantum Leap. As we conclude, let's mention the key takeaways from today's discussion. Firstly, always remind yourself that you already have and are the things you wish to manifest. Embrace the belief that what you desire is already a part of your reality, and by aligning with this truth, you invite its manifestation into your life. Throughout your day, make it a habit to consciously acknowledge and embrace who you are now. Recognize the qualities, strengths, and accomplishments you possess in the present moment. Embracing your current reality will fuel your manifestations even further. To integrate changes made while asleep and manifest higher vibrations, follow your happiness, joy, excitement, and passion. These positive emotions act as signposts, guiding you towards the alignment of your desires. By embracing and following what brings you joy, you accelerate the manifestation process. We hope that these insights have inspired and empowered you to embrace your role as a conscious creator. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the magic within you.